I'm sure we all have this question in our mind that why is it that one particular person is able to clear all the exams, clear all the interviews and get the best in life, and why I, in spite of doing so much hard work, I am not able to clear the exam even in the second attempt or third attempt, and I'm not getting good scores in GT. So today I am going to tell you the principle which governs this, that why that particular person is lucky all the time. So basically this is the power of the beliefs and the thoughts. So life only gives you what you believe, okay? So let me give you an example. So not all the chaiwalas became the prime minister, but that one revered person became a prime minister because he thought that I don't belong to this league of chaiwalas. I have much greater potential than that, and he went on to become a prime minister. We all think, majority of us think, to get a mediocre score in the exam, like we want a good score so that we get a good clinical seat, and we get mediocre results. On the other hand, if we start thinking that I want to break the records, I want to get such a score that everybody tells that in spite of the new pattern, I got such a good score, then we will definitely get that. So I'm not telling you that, just thinking this, that positive thinking, confirms the success. But the other way around, negative thinking definitely leads to failure. So remember, positive thinking will not lead to success for sure, but negative thinking definitely will lead to failure. So what we don't have to do is the negative thinking. It's an irony that the only thing that we have complete control in our life is the content of our conscious mind. It is only us who decide what we think. No one else can do that. So from today on, if you decide to control what you think, you will definitely be a winner. So start thinking, acting, walking and talking like a winner. How does that work is, when you think positive, when you think like a winner, you start feeling like that. You start seeing things and doing things as if you are a winner, and automatically that cycle is set in. On the other hand, if you think that I'm not going to do well in the exam, I don't think I'll be able to do it, automatically you'll start feeling like that, and you will not study, you will waste time doing things which are non-productive. So tap the power of the beliefs and the thoughts that we have. So let me give you an example. Suppose it's raining, okay, and you are carrying just a spoon. Rain will fill only that spoon. On the other hand, if you are carrying a bucket, rain will fill the bucket. If you have a pond, rain will fill the pond. Same is with life. Life gives you only what you believe and what is your capacity that you think about yourself. Think big and you will receive big things in your life. So your life will not transform until and unless you expand your beliefs. So your success on the outside is directly proportional to how successful do you think of yourself on the inside. So start practicing this. Change your thoughts. Think, imagine, talk and act like a winner, act like a topper, and you will start doing things that are consistent with these thoughts, and automatically you will be motivated to study more and break the records of all the scores that anyone has achieved until now in the exam. So wishing you all the best for your exams. Keep studying, keep revising and keep winning.